Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what qualifies. Check whether the coupon is manufacturer or store and whether stacking is allowed. This matters because stacking doubles savings. Once done, verify expiration, SKU, size, and any purchase minimums so you don't waste time at checkout. Make sure to log into the store app and add digital coupons, and also print a backup. You'll save minutes and avoid disputes when you have both digital and paper evidence ready. You proceed to checkout with the right order. Scan your loyalty card first so prices adjust, then ensure digital coupons are applied before payment. Doing this prevents missed discounts. Once done, hand paper coupons to the cashier before they total the sale and group couponed items together to avoid confusion. If an automatic discount fails, calmly ask the cashier to rescan or manually apply the coupon. This saves time, and often you finish by confirming discounts on the final receipt and keeping both paper and screenshot proof. This is crucial for returns or price adjustments. Once done, if a coupon is rejected, remain polite and request a manager review while showing the original coupon image on your phone. This often fixes errors quickly. For online purchases, apply coupon codes at checkout and capture the confirmation. If it fails, contact support with order number and coupon proof to get the adjustment process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.